YouTube. Got the car turned around. Might take these clips off today. It look like it's gonna rain though. I turned it around so I can go on and start knocking that down out, y'all. So once I get started, I'll let y'all know. We'll show y'all. Also, big shout outs to Master Blaster and damn, is it Greg Kendrick or Kendrick Greg? They told me go and heat the metal up, so I had the tank. My brother-in-law had the torque or the head, so I'm gonna heat it up a little bit and go on and try to knock it on out. Alright, get back with y'all in a little bit. YouTube. Been at it for about 5-10 minutes, but it's coming out. Heating it up. Coming out, coming out, coming out. Alright, YouTube. Got it out. I'm about to start heating it back up and shaping it back so it'll be flat. Buddy out. Got a little bit more right in here. Oops. Right in there to knock out. I'm gonna start heating it up and hitting it back the other way to shape it. Alright, here we go with this. Got all of it out. Sand it down a little bit. Low spot right here. And down in here. For the most part, it's out. Do some more later on or something. She exchanged the clips. Then these for sale. If anybody want them, I got them other side pieces. The side pieces is... oh shit. They right here. And there go that.